Hello viewers, you're welcome to Pi Everyday channel, and today I'm going to take you through how to download Python and also set up your Python environment. And please, if you are new here, or if this is your first time watching, or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button to subscribe to my channel, and then also like this current video so that we'll be able to give you more videos. On this episode, I told you I will take you through how to download the Python and then also set up your Python environment. So here you log on to the Google website or Google, and then type in Python download as you have been able to see here, or as you can see from here. You click on Python download, it will take you to a Python, it will take you to many URLs. So you will see Python release for Windows and treat you to click on the python.org. So click on python.org, it will take you to the Python website. Okay, so here you can see download the latest version for Windows. So if you are on Windows, you will click on this. So looking for Python with different OS, Python for Windows, Python Linux, and so if you are on Mac OS, you just click on Mac OS. If you are on Linux, you click on Linux. So I'm on Windows, so there's no need for me to click on any other thing. I'll just click on download Python 3.11. So you can see that it is downloading here. Okay, so I'll wait for some time for it to download, and then okay, so it is finished downloading. Okay, so after downloading, we will then move on to download Sublime Text. So go to Google again and then type Sublime Text download. Okay, so here we will click on the first URL. So let's click on the first URL. All right. Okay, so we have, so you will see on this website, you will see the version build 3211. So OS X 10.7 or later required. Windows also available as portable version. And then we have the Linux reports also available as these ones. Okay, so we will click on Windows 64-bit, and then it will start downloading. So you can see from the left button there that it is downloading. So it is now done with downloading. After downloading these files, or after downloading these two setups, we will then go to our downloads directory. So we are currently in a downloads directory. So here you can see the Sublime Text, and then also the Python 3.11.0 here. Okay, so the first setup that you install is the Python. So here we will double click on the Python setup. That is, yes, so we will see a window of the Python setup. But the first thing that we have to do is to check the add Python execution to the path, right? By doing this will help the Sublime Text to get access to the Python, so that we'll be able to write our Python codes and then also run them in the Sublime Text. Okay, so by clicking on this, you just go to install now. So your control panel or your user account control will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you will click on yes, and I have it already on my machine, so there's no need for me to click on yes. So if you click on yes, you just click on yes, and then it will install for you. So after finishing with, or after installing the Python, you then go on to install the Sublime Text. Yes, so now you choose your location where you want to install this file. Okay, so my location for this file is the program files, and then the file name is Sublime Test 3. Okay, so I'll click on, and then also you can choose to check this or not to check. So I'm not going to check. Okay, so here I also click on install and then wait for some time for the setup to finish installing. So I'm done with the installation. Okay, so after the installation of our Python and then also the Sublime test, we are going to see if we can work with the Sublime test and then the Python. Okay, so you go to your start menu and then search for your Sublime test. So I have my Sublime test here. I'll just click on it. So in case you cannot see yours, you just go to the start menu and then click and search for Sublime test. It will appear for you to click on it. Okay, so I'm done with mine. So we create a new file. We create a new file. So I'm going to create a new file or save a new file as. I'll save the new file as PyEveryday. PyEveryday.py. That is the extension of Python. Every Python file has an extension of py. So after doing that, you select the location which we want to save your file. So I've selected desktop and then click on save. So after doing this, I'll go to tools and then go to build system and then select Python. Okay, so Python is already selected, but you should make sure that you select Python. Okay, so after selecting Python, it means my setup or my text editor is ready to receive any Python codes. So here I'm going to write a simple Python code for us to see if what you've done is the best way. Print hello world. Okay, so I'm going to build and see whether it can give me the feedback. Okay, so by pressing on Ctrl+B will build your Python code for you. So it is now working. So you can see hello world in the terminal. Hello world in the terminal. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and then look out for the next video.